Hey guys, if you are looking at the AUXITO portable jump starter with air compressor, you have come to the right place. Now, one of the reasons why I'm jumping out here and talking to you about this particular product is, well, one, this thing is capable of jump starting an 8-liter diesel truck, or a diesel engine, I should say. So, forgive me for those of you car owners who have a diesel. I have a truck. Anyways, back to this guy right here. One, its compact nature. It has a 12,000 milliamp battery built into this thing. It has a built-in flashlight with a pulsating light, including a red hazard light. It also comes with a few accessories, and it has different modes when compressing air. So whether you're setting it up to a vehicle tire, to a motorcycle tire, even to small basketballs and other type of sports inflatables, it does come with those accessory attachments. So without further ado, let's go ahead and slide this box open here, which it is a nice handy case too, by the way. So you're going to see right off the bat, we've got our air compressor line, which is an awesome, nice accessory because, again, this thing is portable. That is the best part about it. The feature of its compact nature and its portability, and it's versatile as hell. Let's go ahead and pull the actual unit out itself. This guy right here. Now, when you do go to power it on, let's go ahead and hold this, upside down. Sorry, my bad. So it shows I'm at 85%. Then you have the M button that switches down for the modes. Now, this thing is capable of compressing up to 120 psi, so that is a phenomenal feature. Now, as far as the air volume goes, it doesn't put out a whole lot of air volume, so if you got big truck tires like I have, it will take a little bit of time, but it will do the job. This is an oilless compressor, zero maintenance. It works extremely well, and it's effective. So the way the compressor works, you got that little spout right there. This guy threads in on like this. This is going to emit right around 80 decibels of sound when you're away by up to a meter. And all it does is it threads in like so. Screw this in here just so you guys can get a gander at it. Hit the power back on. There we go, power. Let's hit that compressor mode. Hey, there it is. Boom. So, obviously, I plug my finger over that. It has an auto shut off. So when it does reach that featured limit of what you set your compressor to, it's going to auto turn off. Now, the other thing I want to mention real quick and show you guys before I go ahead and put this back. Your alligator clips for your batteries. Again, this will jumpstart any gasoline vehicle and will turn up to an 8-liter diesel engine. It also gives you, there is an indicator on here. So if in case you do happen to have the wires crossed backwards, it will give you the warning saying we won't jump you until you correct the wiring. So kind of common sense proof, I would say. It's definitely worth having inside your vehicle. Camper, trailer, utility truck, whatever the case is, your shop, garage, working yard. This thing hands down is awesome. Quick, easy solution when you can pull it out, have something really effective, get the job done, and get you on your way. It is worth the purchase. So again, I thank you all for watching. Give it a try for yourself. You're going to like it.